Number 9. Water runs from a pump at a rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. At this rate, how long would it take to fill a tub with a 150 gallon capacity? So we want to know how many minutes it will take to fill this 150 gallon capacity. And we can use the rule of 3. We have gallons and the minutes, what we want to find. So we know that 1.5 gallons is being pumped per, per 1 minute. The water runs from a pump at a rate of 1.5 gallons per minute. Then, how long would it take to fill this tub of 150 gallons? We don't know how many minutes it will take. Now we just do the cross multiplication. 1.5 times x equal to 150 times 1. 1.5 times x equal to 150 times 1, which is the same, 150. Now we have a decimal here, so we could multiply the equation by 10. So we multiply the two terms by 10, and we'll get here just the point will move one position, so it will become 15x equal to, and here 150 times 1 is 150 times 10. We just add a 0. 150 plus 1 0 is 1500. Now we divide both terms by 15. Here we'll get 1. 15 divided by 15 is 1 times x is equal to x equal to, and here we have 15 and 15. 15 divided by 15 is 1 times 2 zeros is 100. So x is equal to 100 minutes. The right answer is B. Number 10. The volume of a right rectangular prism is found by multiplying the length of the base by the width of the base by the height of the prism. A right rectangular prism has a volume of 30 cubic inches. If the height of the prism is 6 inches, what is the area of the base of the prism? So here it says that the volume of a right rectangular prism is found by multiplying the length of the base by the width of the base by the height of the prism. And we want to find the area. The area is equal to the length times the width of the base of the prism. Which is this length times width. The volume is 30 cubic inches equal to the area times the height. The height is 6 inches. We can divide the equation by 6. Here we'll get 1, and 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. 5 is equal to 8. So the area of the base of the prism is equal to 5 square inches. The right answer is A. Number 11. Jacoby followed a recipe that requires 2 cups of water for every 3 cups of flour. If he used 8 cups of flour, how many cups of water did he use? So we have two types of cups, one for flour and another for water. So we could use the rule of 3. We have cups of water and cups of flour. First, the recipe requires 2 cups of water for every 3 cups of flour. Now he is using 8 cups of flour and we want to know how many cups of water he will use. So that's our unknown variable. And by the way, these are mixed numbers. It's 2 divided by 3, and this one is 5 1/3. Okay, now we just do the cross multiplication. X times 3 and 2 times 8. X times 3 is equal to 2 times 8. Now we divide by 3. Here we'll get 1 times x is equal to x. X is equal to 2 times 8 is equal to 16 divided by 3. We could turn this fraction into a mixed number. So we divide 16 by 3. What number multiplied by 3 is equal or less than 16? It could be 5, because 3 times 5 is 15. 16 minus 15 is equal to 1, so we have 1 left. We write the quotient, and the fraction is the remainder divided by the dividend, which is 3. So this is the right answer. The right answer is C. Number 12. 4x plus 5 plus 4x plus 8. Which of the following is equivalent to the expression above? So let's try to solve this expression. So we got 4 times x is equal to 4x plus 4 times 5 is 20 plus 4x plus 8. Now we have similar terms. 4x is 20 plus 8. We have to add them. So 4 plus 4 is equal to 8x plus 20 plus 8 is 28. We have to factor. What about 8? So it cannot be b, but we could factor by 4. Let's see, it's equal to 2x plus, and 28 divided by 4 is equal to 7. So yes, the right answer is A. 4 times parentheses 2x plus 7.